Okay, in other news that we've just gotten, now after the Delhi High Court warned of attachment of Delhi Metro assets on a failure to pay 4,700 crore rupees to Reliance Infra in the arbitration dispute, the centre has proposed to amend the law to bar attachment by high courts. Ashmit has been tracking the story and joins us to explain the centre's argument and what this means for Delhi Metro and Reliance infrastructure. Ashmit.
Well, let's keep in mind that this pertains to the 4,700 crore rupee arbitration dispute that's currently underway between Reliance Infra on one hand and Delhi Metro on the other. Now, this is an arbitral award, which in fact has been upheld by the top court. And as far as execution proceedings are concerned, the High Court has very clearly directed for Delhi Metro to cough up that amount of money. Now, let's keep in mind Delhi Metro is an interesting case because it's owned equally between the central government as well as the Delhi government. And the onus the Delhi High Court had put squarely on both these governments to cough up that amount of money, failing which the High Court had warned of attachment of Delhi Metro assets. Now, that is something that has inspired some degree of worry within the central government. What we understand is that they've undertaken an exercise to amend the current law in place that will in fact enable to protect Delhi Metro assets against any future attachment of assets by the High Court or by any other court of law. The law in question is the Metro Railways Operation and Maintenance Act of 2002. This is the legislation in question. The rationale that has been given by the centre essentially is that, look, it is a custodian of public good. It needs to act in defence of public good, that this is, quote-unquote, a lethal situation. The centre has gone on to defend its stance by saying that this will entail closure. Any attachment of Delhi Metro assets will entail closure of Delhi Metro, that will not only cause an inconvenience to lakhs of commuters, but will also create a law and order situation in the capital. So that's the understanding with which the Ministry of Housing and Urban Development has issued an office memorandum seeking to amend the law. What we understand is that this proposed amendment is pending consideration before the Ministry of Finance, Law, Road, as well as Railways, and then subsequently the action will be taken on this. But clearly, the centre here on the back foot, looking to defend the Delhi Metro and its assets against any possible attachment by the High Court. Back to you.
All right, interesting development there, Ashmit. Thank you very much for bringing us up to